Miyamoto Musashi once said, "Fix your eyes on the distant horizon, not on the outcome of the moment." Musashi believed that most people lose battles long before the blade is drawn, because their focus is trapped in the immediacy of fear, doubt, and impatience. He taught that a warrior must look beyond the moment, beyond the noise of today, and see the direction of his life as a whole. To him, the present was only a stepping stone. What mattered was the trajectory you carve with every choice, every discipline, every quiet victory no one sees. Musashi warned that when you stare too closely at a single moment, you mistake discomfort for defeat and progress for failure. But when you lift your gaze toward the horizon, the path becomes clearer and the moment loses its power to break you. So remember this, you are not defined by what happens today. You are defined by the direction you continue to walk, even when the road is steep and the sky seems far away.